A short story. The Cats and the Monkey. Toby and Max were two cats. Once they found a piece of cake. They broke it into two pieces. Toby took one piece and Max took another. You have a bigger piece, mewed Toby. No, yours is bigger, Max mewed back. Monkey Ben saw them fighting. He offered to settle the matter. Ben took a bite here and a bite there. In the end, he ate it all up. Toby and Max did not get any cake at all. The moral of the story is, when you quarrel, someone else gains. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.